Hey, what's up? So, one of the best ways to make money is through passive income. And if you know how to make passive income using no money or a website, you're going to be crushing it. So, you can have the money rolling in over and over every single month. But do keep in mind that it's going to take a little bit of work. Once it's set up, you're going to be making that money consistently. So, I'm going to show you in this video how to earn passive income with no money to start, no website, and you can make money online watching this video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. So if this is your first time here, my name is Andre, and I talk about how to make money online and just multiple ways how I could get some money inside of your pocket. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, just like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. I always like to know where people are watching my videos around the world. So just drop a comment. You can put your city, you can put your country, it doesn't matter. And if you love passive income and if you want to learn how to make passive income, type in the comment section passive income and we're going to get this show on the road. So what we're going to be doing, I want you to like, subscribe, become a part of this because I make videos all the time and it's all about how to make money online. So I have some bonuses that I'm going to give you as well. Let me just give you a sneak peek. All right, there we go, just to get over it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to sign up for an account here over LinkedIn. Most people are sleeping on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very powerful. You can crush it. You can make tons of money on here. And the product that we're going to be promoting on here and how we're going to be making passive income, these are the type of people that you want to target. Now, most times people have a product and they don't know exactly where are their ideal customers. How can I find those customers? And if you don't know where to find those people, it's going to be very difficult and it's going to be hard for you to even make a sale or, for example, do passive income because this method I'm going to share with you, you can make money on clockwork as long as someone stays on, as long as someone is willing to pay for this tool. And yes, they will pay for the tool, but you're not going to pay for it. Okay, so let's jump into it. So here is LinkedIn. Sign up for it. It is free. All you have to do is just create an account. And once you create an account, make sure you put a picture. Make sure the picture looks good. It's not a animal picture. It's not, let's say, a meme or all that type of stuff. Because when it comes to LinkedIn, LinkedIn is like the Rolls Royce for Facebook. It's like the upper class, the upper chill. Like this is where all the big business people are located, and this is how we're gonna find them. So what you need to do is just set up your account. Set up your account and make it look good. If I scroll through here, you could see people, already posting, people sharing, people are doing all these things, and you want to make sure that you find something that is more relatable to what you're going to do. So if you're going to go in entrepreneurship, yes, you can find tons of people. So you can go in the search tab and you can type in entrepreneurs, or you can type in marketing if you want. Now let's type in marketing. So if you type in marketing, you will see all these people right here. Right, these are market research, Excel market research strategies. There's marketing on Pixel. So all these people, they have different type of jobs. There's like digital marketer. And if you come through here, right, people that search for marketing, you click on search and you scroll down, you will see tons of groups. Like, look at this group. This is like a social media group. There's over 1 million. Right here, digital marketing, over 1 million. Marketing communication, over 1 million. Right here, there's over 773,000 people. And the reason for this, because LinkedIn is so popular, this is where all the business people are located. And this is how you're going to be making passive income. So you want to join these groups. That's what you want to do. You want to join all these groups, request to join, right? Request to join. I'm going to back up for a little bit. Marketing, come over here, digital marketing, request to join. right? Marketing communications, request to join. So it's all marketing group. I would just add all these groups, just join them. Once you go in there, you will see like these groups are festive. People are commenting, people are liking stuff, people are sharing. And one of the reasons why we go into the marketing and for LinkedIn is we want to share this tool with people. And once you share it with people and then they sign up, you're going to be making money over and over again. So the tool that we're going to be sharing, it's an all-in-one tool. It's called Contra. Contra is an all-in-one. They make the online business more easy. And you can watch this video if you want, but it's an all-in-one. They have, they have checkout page. They have Contra pages. Like you could build like landing pages, funnels using this, Contra leads. You can build your leads and prospect. You can do membership as well. So it's kind of sort of like ClickFunnels, but it's Contra. Here, you can do mailing, you could build funnels, you could build campaigns. If you scroll through here, there's videos in Contra. There's Contra Help Desk. There's Contra Calendar. There's Contra Agency, Contra Affiliates, Contra Forums, right? Integration and API. So there's so many things that you can do with this platform. And a lot of big business people, especially marketers, they want an all-in-one tool. They don't need to have like, Aweber over here, and then they need another software to build videos and then another software to build funnels. So having things all over the place, most marketers, they don't like that. They don't want to be distracted. They would rather have something in one. And once they have it all together, kind of like Now Lifestyle, they just roll that out. It's kind of like the same thing because ClickFunnels, they do have some things, but they don't have everything, right? And if you want to sign up for the affiliate program, you just click on here where it says affiliate program. Once you sign up, you see right here, you're going to get paid 40% for life for every sale and recurring payments. So you get 40% of the sale over and over and over again. So you could sign up by clicking on here, and it's just going to be loading. All you have to do is just click on the accept agreement. They want to make sure that you read it, you accept it, and then once you do that, you just sign, and they will get back to you immediately. So as soon as you get your affiliate link, this is where you're going to be finding people. You're going to come over here, all right? Successfully sent request 2 minutes ago. Okay, all right. So it's telling me that I've sent my request. So you could join these groups, request to join, all right? Once you join them, you're going to be finding people. So you can start networking with people. You can start networking with people. You will see a ton of people start sending you requests. You can also connect with people. Once it comes down to marketing and stuff, what LinkedIn will do is start sharing you people who maybe have the same interests. So you never be out of people. You can always find people consistently over and over again. So once you grab your affiliate link, what you're going to be doing is start sharing. So here is a little script that I put together. You want to say, hi, whoever, how are you doing? Nice to connect with you. The main reason I've added you as a friend is because I've realized we share the same interest, which is marketing and growing your online business. So based on the current pandemic and where the world is going right now, I have something that will pique your interest that will also, let me put that in, that will also help your business, right? There we go. I wanted to just edit that. Also help your business. So what you want to do is you want to put this in, as a rebuttal. It doesn't hurt to take a look, and if not, I wouldn't feel offended about it. I would totally understand. Would you mind if I share this with you? Right? So that's what we're doing. All right, would you mind if I share this with you? So all you have to do is just copy the entire thing. Now, listen, I want you to tweak this and I need you to make it your own, because if everybody go out and send the same thing, guess what? They're going to say, okay, well, this person sent me this and this person send me the same thing. So you want to tweak it, make it your own. So you can model this, you can, copy, but you want to tweak it. Once you do that, then you can start reaching out to people, reach out to people, reach out to people. Okay, don't be, yeah, be aggressive, but don't overkill the system, because if you overkill it, guess what? They're gonna send you warning, tell you to slow down on the feature and all that. But it's a good way to get started. You can always come in and engage. It's just like Facebook: comment, engage, like, share. But it's a different way to find people. You can find more attractive people, more business partners that will want to sign up and start making money. So that's it. That's the clip right there. And again, hope you did enjoy this video. So earn some passive income with no money to start or a website. This is a Make Money Online video. Hope you did enjoy this video. Check out my next video where I share about make money online with zero capital to start. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. The name is Andre. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.